first thing everyone notices when they come to my room is my 3-part mirror. It is huge. It is beautiful. It was made by my husband. I designed it. He built it by hand himself and presented it to me as a gift. It is by far the most sentimental piece of furniture that I own. And I couldn't imagine being fabulous without it. Over here, this is where I keep all of my fitness goods. All of my yoga mats, all of my medicine balls, all of my tools for working out go back here behind this door. This is my Roku TV. My Roku TV. Back here, I have my Nintendo Switch and all of my Switch controllers charging behind the television, and cords and remotes and things like that. This dresser right here, this dresser, my husband, again, made this dresser for my daughter when she was in my belly. And now that my daughter is a toddler and wants to put stickers on it and things like that, it is staying in here. This is another piece that my husband made. It was custom made again as part of my daughter's nursery, and I again confiscated it once I found a sticker on it, because like I said, 4-year-olds don't know how to keep anything nice. So this is now mine. But I got this little play gun at the Renaissance Fair. And I love, again, my little historically accurate reenactment, whatever gun. I love it. Uh-oh. There we go. This is, very quickly, in here is my little coffee station. This is so important to me. People are like, just walk to the kitchen when it's cold and you're just right here and you're in the zone of creating. Going to the kitchen or going where the kids can see you is the best way to get all of your best plans put into a squash. The workstation. This is the workstation. Let me just go through the works. I couldn't fit this in a place, all of my threads in a place that made sense. So I went ahead and I put them all on the side here. My husband just drilled a few holes and stuck my thread things on the side, out of sight. I keep my rulers hung up on this end. My flat cutting board base is below. Regular cork board down here. I would suggest, though, getting it from Home Depot. This was thin. Get a good expensive one from Home Depot. Okay, over here in this first cube are all of my essential oil and natural oil crafts, DIY type things. My art pile, lots of art, paint, color pencils, markers, crayons are in all of these. Here, over here are some simpler patterns and all my sewing materials, embroidery spools. Yeah, I have more fabric. I just have plans for these fabrics, which is why they are allowed to live up here in these 2 boxes. I wrap all of my fabrics around manila folders to keep them organized, and it keeps a lot of my more expensive fabrics straight so I can pack them away. I'm able to keep hundreds of pieces of fabric in the back of my closet this way. Up here are more tools like my embroidery or my etching tools and glue guns, and there's just... I covered my entire desk with rose gold contact paper. It came out pretty good. I like it. I can use wet erase markers on the top to sketch and graph, so love it. The best thing I did in this creative space was create this sitting area next to my window. Now I can look out at the garden,
look at art, read books, and a lot of sunlight comes in through the window for when I'm doing my makeup at the vanity.
This vanity was made by my husband. Again, it's something that I designed and I asked and he delivered, and I love it. I do like makeup. I do like putting on makeup. I like doing beauty treatments, and this is giving me everything. What had happened was I was supposed to pick a paint color, and I was debating on if I wanted it in Spanish wash white or if I wanted to harass the painter one more time to get the perfect color blue like he did with my mirror. And I procrastinated so long that now I have to paint it and don't know which color I want to paint it. I've ruined it with my hair oil and my finger oil and my skin oil and shea butters deep in the wood now. I'm pretty sure I've ruined the color and any chances of coloring it, but it is, again, one of the most beautiful pieces I own. Back here is my little trash can. And this tray my husband made, we made together. And I keep only the makeup that I use every day out. Most of my makeup is put away in the 3 drawers here. I use my Echo, and then this tablet is exclusively for like Pinterest or makeup tutorials that I'm watching. Like that's all I use it for. And then finally I keep my colognes and fragrances on the very end over here. And this is just about all of my room.
On this wall over here, I put my calendar and my 2 planners. I still use a written planner. It doesn't exist if it's not written down. Welcome. My name is Audrey and you're watching Audrey Inspired Living.